Ruchit Jain of 5paisa.com joins in with his technical call for this Monday. Ruchit, hi, welcome to the show. Well, it seems as though there's some amount of trepidation which is coming into the markets now. How would you approach this weakness?
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon. Since we were talking about this budget day low, so I think if you look at the two pullback moves which were there post the budget, once the markets moved higher from that 17,350 to 18,140, and second time the market moved from 17,250 to 17,800, and both that pullback moves were primarily because of short covering by FIIs, where they had covered some of their short positions which were short heavy, where whenever they went towards that 13%, 15% long short ratio range. But if you look at last 2 or 3 trading sessions, again they have formed some short positions. So until we see short covering move again from FIS front or any kind of long formations coming in, I think the market would continue to oscillate within this broad range. So we are not expecting any trended move because the recent price up moves have not been supported by any kind of long formations. They were just short covering moves, and shorts are back into the system. So technically also we have a lower low again. Earlier low was 18,134. This time we have a low of 17,800. So till we negate this formation of lower lows, I think market would not be in a hurry to show any kind of trended up move for yet. So 17,550 to 17,600 would be the immediate resistance, and previous swing lows of 17,250 will be the support for the markets. And we are expecting the markets to continue to consolidate within this range, which could be a time-wise correction. But yes, looking at the market breadth is quite negative because the mid caps have been witnessing some selling pressure. So I think stock specific selling pressure is likely to continue for the short term.
Okay, stock specific selling pressure to continue for the short term. What are the individual stocks you're looking at? Are there any stocks where you can take fresh short positions, Ruchit? And what else are you looking at for the rest of the day?
Yeah, so fresh shorts I would recommend in Polycab. Primarily, a lot of stocks which had shown an up move in the recent past are witnessing some long unwinding, and Polycab is one of them. Where we can see some unwinding of positions. In fact, some short formations were seen in Friday's session too. So Polycab on a bit of pullback move towards the 2930, 2940 range could be seen as an opportunity to go short with a stop loss about 3020. We expect targets around 2825 first, 2825, and that is broken. Then 2780 could be seen in the near term. One contra buy I would give is in ONGC. So this is one of the stock, but irrespective of market move, I think this is holding its 20 EMA quite well. And I think some defensive buying would be there, which would keep this momentum intact in ONGC. So one can go long over here with stop below 152 for potential targets around 166.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that. Well, the market is off its highs, and it's in fact the market is now at the Nifty is now at the lowest point of trade. If you look at it, 81 points lower, and big fall in the mid-cap index, almost 1.5% gone over there. Let's slip into a short break. We'll get you more on some stock-specific action as well on the other side. Stay tuned.